Education is the foundation of our future. At the Growing Garden Preschool and Academy of the Arts Elementary School, we invest in our children with strong academics, Jewish values, personal attention, and spending time focusing on the whole child. Children should be excited to go to school. School should be a place where children are happy and love to learn in a happy, comfortable, and fun-filled environment. No two children are the same. We recognize each child's uniqueness and individual strengths, tailoring each child's learning to help them reach their maximum potential.
My daughter loves art, and so many of the lessons here are taught through the lens of art. So math, things about the environment, how to be a kind person.
Francesca, my daughter, she is very active, has a very giant imagination. And here at the Academy of the Arts, they actually really encourage her to be herself with getting on the stage and doing drama.
My son is a science guy, and fortunately this school gives him the opportunity to work on those skills, things that he loves to do at home with science and electronics and robots. The Academy has brought into his school day, and it's his favorite day of the week.
We try and cater to each student's individual needs. This is called differentiation, and while teaching to the whole group, we also want to make sure that we're meeting every student's needs so that they can all be successful.
For our children to succeed, they need more than just academic excellence. At the Academy of the Arts, we teach our children to master life skills like character development, self-motivation, and interpersonal skills, all framed within our Jewish tradition.
We care about the whole child. We care about the social emotional well-being of every child, every parent here. So we put equal emphasis on the cognitive and the social emotional capacities of everyone here.
The Academy of the Arts taught my daughter how to show her empathy if she sees a kid that's upset or crying. They also teach her how to give back to those that are less fortunate in our community.
One of the things that has been very rewarding is when the kids play with their friends, with the neighborhood kids, and the parents will tell us how nice and kind and sweet our children are.
The Growing Garden and Academy of the Arts are not just schools, they are a community. Children love coming to school every day. Teachers love being here. Parents love visiting. We are a family. This is our home.
I love this school because I learn something new every single day. And when I came here, I met so many new people, and they were all very kind. And the teachers here are always helping you, and the school is just fantastic.
I like the teachers because they're nice to me, and I get to learn a lot of knowledge from them. It's how I learn.
Our children love coming to school. They get up in the morning, put their uniforms on without us asking, and they're ready to go. They oftentimes are saying, come on, let's go, let's go. They don't want to be late, and they absolutely love being here. It's a place they feel that they're at home. It's really a second home to them, and we love that.
understand the relationship of the students, the teachers, and the parents. It's a partnership. If we're all understanding that we're here to learn and grow as people, socially, emotionally, to be present as a human being, to be kind, to be passionate about what we want to do with our lives. But the point of all that is to be authentic.
We love Academy of the Arts.